Would you like to draw clients to you while also building trust and rapport? On this video, I'm going to share how you can do that for free. Yeah, free. Here's the deal. We're out there every day as consumers. We're looking at reviews. We're looking at two things. The first reviews we can pull up with the highest rankings. You've probably done it if you're going out to eat in a new area or whatever you're doing. We're always looking at reviews. Same thing with home sellers in your area. What you can do if you have not already done this is set up your Google My Business account. It's going to look something like this when you go to the website, Google My Business. Now, one thing I'll mention, you're going to need to set up a free Gmail account. Easy, anybody could do it. It's completely free. Then go to your Google My Business and it's going to pull up your profile. Now, you can build this out really simply. Name, phone number, website, etc. The benefit to this is it's going to help rank you on Google, same time putting that pin on Google Maps, also showcasing your reviews. So there's really three huge benefits here. Now, once you fill out the profile, the best next thing to do is email the link to past clients, friends, family, coworkers, and have them give you a review. It's easy. If they have a Gmail account, they can log in and give you a review very simply. Now, if it's a past client, I would dig a little deeper. Make sure they tell why they hired you, why you were the best, maybe the struggles they had before hiring you, and how you helped. Friends and family, they can speak to what we call character reviews. He's trustworthy, he's knowledgeable, he's always helping people, in real estate, etc. They can fill out some of those reviews as well. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is respond to your reviews. So you'll see reviews coming in and Google My Business gives you an option to respond to those reviews. If you respond to the reviews, it helps rank you on Google. Google is always looking at who is active on platforms. So when someone gives you a review, if you respond, it's going to up your rankings. Now, one thing I would mention is upload an image to your Google My Business account. A nice headshot, of course, your professional image, and then some pictures of your office, etc. That's just going to build out the profile a little bit more, and that's what Google looks for as well. Next, make sure your phone number, your email, your website, your address are all the same. Here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to make sure that all those are the same across Facebook, Google, Instagram, wherever you have them online, Zillow, realtor.com. But here's the kicker. For example, my legal name's Joseph. I go by Joe. Some people call me Joey. I want to put Joe Nicholson on every profile. I don't want to do Joe here or Joseph there. I want it all the same. Same with your street address. If you're going to abbreviate street, do it on all of them. If you're going to spell it out on all of them. This is really critical for you to get rankings on Google because you want your reviews, but we also want people to find those reviews. If they can't find them, they're useless. This is going to help you do three things like I mentioned before. Get you reviews, showcase your reviews, and rank you on Google. Also, 4, put you on Google Maps. That's like a bonus. But when someone's on their phone, if they look you up on Maps, on the Map app with Apple or Android, it's going to pull that pin up and put it wherever your address is. So for example, if it's your brokerage address, it's going to show your personal phone number, etc., website on your brokerage building on Google Maps. One thing that I got to mention is once you fill out the Google My Business account, it's kind of a tongue twister, they're going to mail you a postcard to the address you have in there. So for example, if you put your brokerage address in there, it's going to go to your brokerage and just put attention your name, you'll get it, and then they'll give you a code, you'll enter in, and that'll help rank your profile even better. I hope this helps. If you would like more information about how you can showcase your reviews, how you can get reviews, and how you can rank your personal brand, we have a plethora of information like that on our blog at blog.smartagents.com. But don't forget, like, subscribe so you don't miss my next video.